Getting annoyed by the MSV-CP Windows System DLL causing an error? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's resync your file architecture right now. This DLL file is a Windows System component that provides the C++ standard library functionality for various OS processors. It acts as a specialized runtime layer that ensures system applications can handle complex logic and data parsing. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. If the MSV-CP Windows System DLL is missing, it indicates a problem with your Windows System image. I suggest running sfc dependencies scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a surgical repair of your core operating system files. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the MSV-CP Windows System file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Installing an unverified version of the MSV-CP Windows System DLL is one of the most common ways to accidentally bypass your system's built-in security firewall. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. The link below points to a diagnostic utility that provides information on managing the MSV-CP Windows System and maintaining system stability. If Windows Update UCRT is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.